Okay, quick question. Have you ever looked at a rich person and thought, how the heck did they do that? Like, you're working hard, saving where you can, but your bank account still looks like it's on a diet. Meanwhile, some people just multiply money like it's a magic trick. What's their secret? Luck? A rich uncle? Nope. It's something way simpler. And today, I'm spilling the beans. Here's the truth. The biggest difference between rich people and everyone else isn't their paycheck. It's their mindset. And the best part? You can steal it right now. Let's break it down.
Secret number 1. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Most people treat money like it's the finish line. If I just had more, I'd be happy. But rich people, they treat money like a hammer. Sounds weird? Think about it. A hammer builds a house or smashes a window. It's not good or bad. It's just a tool. Money's the same way. Imagine 2 people get $10,000. Person A blows it on a luxury vacation. No judgment, I love beaches too. Person B buys a used lawnmower and starts a side hustle. In a year, person A has a tan. Person B has a business making $3,000 a month. Same money, different mindset. Rich people don't chase money. They chase opportunities to multiply it. That's the shift. Stop asking, how much does it cost? Start asking, how can this make me more? Secret number 2. Time is your only non-renewable resource. Here's where people get scammed by their own brain. We trade time for money like it's a fair deal. Work more hours, get more cash. But guess what? There's a ceiling. You only get 24 hours a day. Elon Musk, Beyonce, same 24. The difference? They don't sell time, they buy it. Think of it like this. Poor mindset. I'll fix my own sink to save $100. Rich mindset. I'll pay the plumber $100 so I can work on my $1,000 idea. One saves pennies. The other creates dollars. Your time is worth more than your hourly wage. Start acting like it. Secret number 3. Invest in yourself first. Here's a dirty little secret. Rich people obsess over learning. Not just read a book, learning. How can I level up? Learning. They'll drop $5,000 on a course, not just a PlayStation 5. Why? Because skills compound. True story. I knew a guy who spent years complaining about his job. Then he spent $300 on a coding course. 2 years later, doubled his salary. That $300 didn't cost him. It paid him. Your brain is the best ROI you'll ever get. Feed it. The 3-step cheat code. Want to start today? Do this. 1. Flip the script. Next time you see money, ask, how can this grow? Not, how can I spend it? 2. Buy time. Outsource something cheap this week. Meal prep, laundry. Use those hours to learn or earn. 3. Skill, stack. Spend 20 minutes a day learning one money skill. Investing, negotiating, Excel. In a year, you're dangerous. So, which secret are you trying first? Hit that comment section below and tell me what's on your mind. And see you next time.